Hello, and welcome to my QTP video tutorial, where I will show you how you can add objects to the object repository from the object repository window itself. In this video, we'll be answering the following question: how to add objects to the object repository from the object repository window. As a reminder, to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. This moves us to the topic which asks the question, how to add objects to the object repository from the object repository window. One of the functionalities offered in QTP is the ability to directly add objects into the object repository from the object repository window. This is useful if you would like to add an object into the object repository without recording yourself interacting with the object in the application. I'll now flip over to QTP to show you an example of this. Now that we've flipped over to the QTP window, we need to open the object repository. And for more information on how to open the object repository, feel free to watch one of my other videos where I go into more information on that. Now that we have the object repository window open, there are two different places that we can click to begin the process of adding an object into the object repository. The first way is by using the menu bar. The second way is by using the button bar. I'll first show you how to begin this process by using the menu bar. So look near the top of the object repository window to find the menu bar. Then locate the object button. Once you find it, click it. And in the submenu that will appear, you can locate the button that reads as Add Objects to Local. Now you could click that, but now what I'll do is show you how to get to the same functionality by using the button bar. So I'll click off of the menu bar. We now need to look to the button bar. Again, this is near the top of the window, and the button that we're looking for looks like a green plus sign. And if I hover my mouse over it, it actually reads in a tooltip as Add Objects to Local. Now you can use either of those ways to get to this functionality. They both go to the same place, so it's whichever you're more comfortable with using. So since I'm already on the button bar, I'll go ahead and click it. You'll notice that once I click the Add Objects to Local button, QTP minimized, and now I'm left with the windows that were behind QTP. You'll recognize this window as this is the login screen for the Windows Sample Flight application that comes with QTP. In this example, what I'm looking to do is add an object to the object repository for the edit box that is underneath the agent name label. So I'm hovering my mouse cursor right now over that edit box. So once I have my mouse cursor over the object that I'm looking to add into the object repository, all I need to do is click. QTP will now reappear, and I'll be presented with the Object Selection Add to Repository window. Now in the main part of the window, what QTP is showing is this is the full parent-child tree for the specific object that I clicked. For example, I clicked to add the agent name edit box, but the agent name edit box's parent is a dialog window that has a title of Login. I need to click the object that I'm looking to add into the object repository. So in this example, since I'm looking to add the edit box for agent name, I need to click to select that object. Once I've done that, I can look for the OK button near the bottom right corner of the window. Once I find it, I can click it. Now after a second or two, I'll notice that that window goes away, and I'm now brought back to the object repository window. If I look near the left side of the window, in the white space, the top section that I'll see is for test objects. I can now see that underneath the test objects folder, I can see two objects. The first is login, and the second is agent name. So now that I can see the agent name object in this section, that lets me know that QTP was able to successfully add this object into the object repository. This now concludes the video where I've answered the following question: how to add objects to the object repository from the object repository window. As a reminder, to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you, and I hope that you have a great day.